Hi, do you hear the birds? Yes, I am today in Gundamangere, which is off Dodballapur road, about 50 kilometers from Bangalore. And it's a nice little village. It's got a lake and it has got a lot of green area. And so it's very good for the birding activities. You find a lot of birds. And most of them common. So far I haven't spotted anything which is very rare. But it's a great spot for birding. Come over here over a weekend and enjoy the nature.